In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy text from an image on your PC using Microsoft Word or OneNote. This is a very useful feature that allows you to extract text from screenshots, scanned documents, or photos without having to retype everything manually. To get started, open Microsoft OneNote or Microsoft Word on your computer. First, insert the image that contains the text you want to copy. In OneNote, you can simply paste the image directly onto a page, while in Word, you can use the Insert option to add the image into your document. Once your image is in place, click on it to make sure it is selected. In OneNote, right-click on the image, and from the menu that appears, choose the option that allows you to copy text from the picture. OneNote will automatically process the image and extract any readable text it finds. After selecting that option, the text is now copied to your clipboard. You can paste it anywhere you like, whether it's on the same page, a new note, or even into another application. Keep in mind that the accuracy of the extracted text depends on the clarity of the image. Clear, high-quality images with readable fonts will produce better results. If you're using Microsoft Word, the process is slightly different. After inserting the image, you may need to save the document or convert the image into a format that Word can process for text recognition. In many cases, Word works best when opening a PDF file that contains images. Once opened, Word will attempt to convert the content into editable text automatically. After the conversion is complete, you'll be able to highlight and copy the extracted text, just like any regular document. Review the text carefully to correct any minor errors, especially if the original image was blurry or contained unusual fonts. This feature is powered by built-in text recognition, often referred to as OCR, which allows your computer to detect and convert text from images into editable, awesome content. It's a huge time saver when working with printed materials or screenshots. Using Word or OneNote to copy text from images is a quick and efficient way to digitize information and improve your productivity. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.